Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming backups and minimizing new writes to the device. This preserves remnants of data. First, sign into the same Google or Apple account and check backup timestamps, because a recent backup is the cleanest restoration. Once done, power off unnecessary apps and switch to airplane mode. Then enable USB debugging or unlock the bootloader if you plan low-level recovery. These steps let recovery tools access internal storage directly, which is why you start here before attempting file extraction. You now perform the extraction. Connect the phone to a trusted PC and run a tool that supports physical imaging. Physical extraction captures deleted files and metadata, whereas logical restore only pulls visible files. Once the image starts, monitor progress and create a SHA-256 or MD5 hash of the image as it finishes so you can verify integrity later. Make a copy of the raw image and work on the duplicate, because preserving the original prevents accidental changes and preserves forensic value. You finish by parsing the image with carving, metadata reconstruction, and app-specific parsers to recover files and chat histories. Carving finds fragments without file system entries, which is why it's essential after a factory reset. Once you recover items, validate them against the image hash and open samples to confirm readability before restoring. Finally, copy recovered data to a secure location or rootload to your account. If things go wrong, like corruption or unreadable partitions, stop and consult a specialist to prevent irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.